Today we are here to witness the wonder of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Where we are today in a very unique place. It's like a dream come true for me and Vishwaroop because we are right in front of the pyramid. Yeah, 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 we are in front of the pyramid. Da, 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 da. Pyramid is the wonder of the ancient world. The pyramids of Giza are located just outside of Giza. Giza is third largest Egyptian city after Cairo and Alexandria. Here we are climbing one of the great mystery of ancient world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. And it gives me immense pleasure and satisfaction to do so. My heart fills with gratitude and I thank God for this lifetime opportunity. To visit the pyramid area, you must purchase a ticket, but the ticket to go inside the pyramid is not included in that. You need to buy inside tickets separately. Come, Bedu. Hey, baby. The Giza Pyramid Complex is also known as Giza Necropolis, since each pyramid holds the remains of members of the 4th dynasty. The royal family reigned from around 2613 to 2494 BC. The first pyramid, known as the Great Pyramid of Giza, is the largest and is the resting place of King Khufu. It took around 20 years to build that. The second tallest pyramid, known as Pyramid of Khafre, was for King Khufu's son. The Pyramid of Menkaure is the smallest of the three pyramids and is the resting place of Khufu's grandson. Built during a time when Egypt was one of the richest and most powerful civilization in the world. The pyramid's smooth angled sides symbolizes the rays of the sun. Pyramids today stand as an example of the ancient Egyptian glorification of life after death. Death was seen as the beginning of a journey to the other world. The incredible size of the Great Pyramid continues to amaze visitors. Built from around 2.3 million blocks of stone weighing around 2.5 tons an average. Amazing, guys. Now we are at the other side of the pyramid where the Great Sphinx lies.
Yeah, forehead.
This thing is broken.
Yes, exactly. And the body takes lion
Why is it so?
giant lion.
No, why? Why body of a lion?
Yes, because between the wisdom of the human,
Huh.
which is inside his brain, and the power of
Strength
the
of an animal,
or the
okay.
lion. Actually, statues represented God Ra.
A strange beast with the head of a pharaoh and the body of a lion sits in front of the Pyramid of Khafre. It is one of the oldest monolithic statues in the world. Sphinx was carved from a single mass of limestone. The Great Sphinx was erected for Pharaoh Khafre. Some scholars believe that the purpose of the Great Sphinx and its temple complex is to resurrect the soul of Pharaoh Khafre by channeling the power of the sun and other gods.
টাকা
Tiki taka.
এটা ভিডিও নিলাম
Guy, can you little bit more towards Pratish? Little. Pratish, you come. No. Thank you. Bus. No, it's okay. Oui.
Très bien, mais tellement bien qu'on va nous prendre en photo. Va, come on.
The Valley Temple of Khafre was built to serve two functions. One, it was used for the purification of the mummy of the king before its burial. Second, it was used for making the mummification process of the king. Later on that day, after visiting Pyramid and Sphinx, we went to a shop selling papyrus painting, where they showed us how sheets were being made using the stem from papyrus plant. The papyrus sheet were preferred writing materials of the ancient world because they were light, thin, durable, and easy to carry. In the shop, we found out various paintings representing various pharaohs of Egypt. There were also paintings done with fluorescent colors, which will light when it's dark.
Why is all the picture changing?
Because we use phosphor color, fluorescent color.
How long is that?
Forever, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Later, we went to the National Museum of Egyptian Civilization in the city of Fustat. It has 50,000 artifacts and presents Egyptian civilization from prehistoric time till today. There are also 20 royal mummies, but photography is prohibited. Neither camera nor phone is allowed. Later in that evening, we had a Nile cruise expedition. We boarded Andrea and went to explore River Nile, accompanied with some wonderful performance and good food.
It's moving. You may not be able to understand because it's not moving with such a speed. You can see that, Prince Omar, how slowly it's moving. The ones who are sitting inside listening to music, they won't understand. But see, it's moving. Oh my god.
So that's all for today. I'll come back again with my next trip to Alexandria. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Ta ta, bye bye.